Introducing the next evolution of SIP phones from VTech, the ErisTerminal ET600 Series powered by Snom. From color screens to advanced connectivity, the ET600 Series helps busy professionals communicate better. Large color LCD screens make it easy to place calls, customize settings, and update lines. No need to share one screen for both active call and busy lamp field status. A second display on the ET685 serves as a dedicated screen for displaying busy lamp fields, line statuses, and speed dials. The ET635 features 8 buttons next to the main color screen to help you easily navigate through functions. After you place a call, you'll immediately notice the superior audio quality. VTech-built ET600 Series with world-renowned Snom audio and software. Enjoy natural-sounding conversations via the corded handset or full duplex speakerphone. Or answer calls when you're away from your desk. Connect to popular office wireless headsets with electronic hookswitch support. Bluetooth also comes standard on the ET685 and is available on the ET635 via a USB dongle. VTech designed every ET600 Series phone with durability in mind. A non-wearing sensor hook switch gives you reliability and peace of mind, even when you use it over long periods of time. When you need to manage more calls, simply add VTech expansion modules. The module's LED programmable function keys can be customized for settings like line status and speed dial. VTech puts quality first. All SIP phones come with a 3-year standard warranty and advanced product replacement if anything is to ever go wrong. The ET600 Series from VTech. Experience the best in SIP technology.